Greetings from the adventure of the future. Prepare to travel the world with unparalleled elegance and comfort. Introducing the Volkswagen Motorhome 2026, a masterpiece that is revolutionizing travel. Volkswagen's distinctive aerodynamic lines, which offer a form that is both practical and stylish, are the primary element of its streamlined, contemporary design. You enter a universe that has been painstakingly prepared for every travel as soon as the automated sliding doors open. This RV is powered by a number of cutting-edge engines designed for maximum efficiency and performance. There are two options: a quiet and eco-friendly all-electric (EV) powertrain with a large capacity battery that offers an outstanding range for zero-emission excursions, and a potent plug-in hybrid diesel engine with quick torque for long-distance travel. A modern and user-friendly user interface greets you as soon as you grip the wheel. From the center console to the instrument panel, a massive, curved touchscreen links all of the vehicle's vital information and features. You'll stay engaged and connected with a state-of-the-art entertainment system that effortlessly blends wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Numerous USB-C connections, wireless charging, and precise digital temperature management are dotted throughout to guarantee constant connectivity and ease. Style and utility are expertly balanced in the interior design. A cozy and welcoming ambience is produced by using high-quality materials including certified lightwood, vegan leather upholstery, and soft, recyclable linens. Its modular design allows you to change the space as needed, turning it from a comfortable eating area during the day to a peaceful retreat at night. Though programmable LED ambient lighting provides a distinctive touch, large panoramic windows provide breathtaking vistas of every space. The bedroom ought to be a peaceful haven. After a long day of travel, a comfortable queen-size bed and an ergonomic mattress provide a good night's sleep. The amount of luggage you may carry is maximized by cleverly concealed storage areas around the walls and beneath the bed. While enough ventilation encourages healthy air circulation, blackout curtains and gentle lighting provide a restful night's sleep. This little yet practical bathroom is proof that elegant design doesn't have to occupy a lot of area. Features that save space without compromising comfort include fold-down sinks, quick heat showers, and contemporary, energy-efficient cassette toilets. A mirror with integrated illumination and made of waterproof and easily cleaned materials might provide a fashionable touch. For any daring cook, the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome's kitchen is a culinary paradise. You can make delectable meals anywhere you go with a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and a spacious refrigerator freezer. It serves as a center for cooking activities that may be carried out while traveling due to its movable eating area and spacious storage space for supplies and equipment.